Hello guys, welcome to my channel Mixed Emotions. Hope all of you are doing good. I've been new in this YouTube world, as you all can see. I've posted few of my videos and I've got many comments and many questionnaires and many suggestions too. This video is specifically it will concentrate on some natural ingredients which we can use for our face to look good and to brighten it. Okay, so I'm not referring any particular cosmetic products out here because, as you know, in this quarantine session it's very difficult to go out in the road and buy stuffs. So I will be discussing about a few of the natural ingredients which we all have in our home, and with the help of which we can brighten and make our skin look good. Okay, so let's start. Okay, the first product which helps in brightening our skin is milk. As you know that raw milk is easily available and it has some great fairness tips. We can find it in kitchen and any mother's kitchen, right? And tyrosine, actually it is the melanin controlling hormone that can lead to skin darkening. Okay, it keeps a check on the secretion of tyrosine, hence providing it to be an unbeaten fairness agent. Raw milk has some great effect, guys. I have used it myself and I can really refer to you. It's one of the very one of the few things which everyone will have in their home. So this is a very beautiful, I will say it's a beautiful fairness agent. If it keeps the tyrosine level, if when it grows, when the concentration grows up, what happens is that our tan thing gets indulged and our face looks tanned. So in order to kill the tyrosine, we use raw milk. Okay, and if any of you want some fair skin, and if any of you have the marriage season tickling in your calendar, I guess usage of raw milk every day at night will be and is the best ever solution you all can get. And yes, please do let me know after using the raw milk whether it suited you and how is the effect. And you can also do one thing, you can just post a picture 7 days before and 7 days after using the raw milk. Thank you. Let's go to the next one. The next one in our list is honey. Oh my god, honey is something which every one of us again have, and it is one of the most antibacterial agent. It helps to evade pimples and zits in our face. You know that these are the things which 90% of the girls are very much common with. They are very much acquainted with getting pimples, zits any day and at any time it pops up in our face. So what it does is that honey is the purest form of a medicine which, when applied to our face, it helps to reduce all the pimples and the zits. Okay, to a large extent. I won't say that the entirely the pimples you can get rid of, but yes, if you use this honey in a regular basis, I guess the problem with your face can easily be removed. Okay, and what is the best part about it is that honey has some bleaching properties. I hope all of you know what is bleaching. And many of us are scared to do bleaching. Many of us are use bleach on a monthly basis, but I hope instead of using the chemical products, instead of using cosmetics, if we go for such natural ingredients which we all have in our home, it will actually help us in a great way. Like honey has some great bleaching properties. Yes, it has some great bleaching properties, and it actually helps to fade all the scars and pigmentations. I guess we all are acquainted with these terms. Scars and pigmentation are something which does not go off totally. So using honey specifically in the night, because we all are busy, or we all have office, we all have stuffs to do, mothers are always in the kitchen, so the time which we get is the night time. So this in your nighttime skincare routine, if you can indulge honey, if you can use honey, then I guess the scars, the pigmentation, the zits, the pimples, you can get rid of all these things. So honey is in my second list. Do apply the thing and do let me know about this in the comment section, and do let me know your reviews. Thank you. Let's move on to the next one. The next one in my list is besan or gram flour. Okay, besan is something like besan ka halwa, besan. With besan we have so many things to eat, right? So besan is something again we all have in our kitchen, and again we all can go for it. And the basic use of basin is it is a natural exfoliator, guys. Yes, it is a natural exfoliator. When you apply basin on your face and you leave it for some time, what it does is that it takes away all the dead skin cells, right? So it takes away, as I was saying, it takes away all the dead skin cells, and a new layer of skin gets formed in your face. And and it is very normal, if a new layer of skin is formed in your face and your skin will look more brightening, and your skin will look more fair, and the dullness or the tan thing will actually get removed. So basin is actually a very good natural exfoliator, guys. And it's a like for glowing skin specifically, it's a fabulous agent for glowing skin. So do let me know, and after using basin, what are the reviews, what all you thought. And I guess most of our mothers are so much specifically my mom, she always tells me to use natural ingredients more instead of going for cosmetics, and instead of going for you know like cosmetic things, or instead of going for those sulfur oriented products or those paraben oriented products. So basically what happens, we are so much busy with our life that we don't get time to use the natural ingredients, because while using natural ingredients, you need to work a bit and then you can apply it on your face. So for that thing, what we do is that we tend to forget these natural ingredients, which actually does a great job. So please apply basin on your face, and do let me know in the comment section that how did it work on you. Let's move on to the next one, guys. The next in my list is turmeric. Okay, turmeric is something which we all have heard specifically from our grandmother, that please use turmeric, you don't have to use anything else. Yes, like the hashtag number one ingredient, if according to my grandmother, it will always be turmeric. So turmeric is something, it has some it has an anti-inflammatory agent in it, and the name of that anti-inflammatory agent is curcumin. Curcumin does a very good job, and it at times you will feel that the under area or some particular places in your face gets inflated. Okay, so it basically it reduces the entire inflammation, and it is a very powerful antioxidant, right? So the basic use of turmeric is that you have an improved skin complexion, guys. You can use it and you can see it on yourself. You will have an amazing skin complexion, and that includes brightening. You have a brightening effect on your face, which is something, it's like it's a $1 million thing. We use so many efforts by going to parlor, by using products in order to bring this brightening effect. But if you use turmeric in a regular basis, you will find this brightening effect, and it is a rejuvenation for your dull skin. Specifically, if you have dull skin, please use turmeric. You will get to know the results within a span of 7 to 10 days. So do use turmeric. That is the hashtag grandmom's recipe, and do let me know the effects in the comment section. Let's move on to my next ingredient. Do you want a glowing skin? Do you want a skin which glows and which glows like a mirror? Okay. My next ingredient for a glowing skin is lemon. Yes, lemon is something again we all have in our kitchen, and lemon is something which it holds a very prime spot when it comes to skin glowing effect. Yes, as you all know that lemon is always rich in vitamin C. Vitamin C is actually abscopal. It's abscopal. It's also known as abscopal, and it has been clinically proven to interrupt the action of enzyme called tyrosinase. As I have already discussed, this particular enzyme, it tans your skins up. So it interrupts the action of tyrosinase, and what it does is what it does is that it stimulates the melanin production of the skin. So if the melanin production of the skin gets rejuvenated or it gets increased, the dullness of your face entirely gets reduced. Your dullness is not there, and you are more and more open up to a brighter skin. You get a brighter skin, and yes, you can also get a skin which the glass looking skin, which is the current favorite of all. According to the Korean beauty regime, yes, you can also get a glass looking skin, and you can get a glowing skin by using lemon on a daily basis. But make sure whatever products I am discussing today, every such products, do not you can choose any one or two of them, but please do maintain to use these products on a daily basis. Likewise, if you hear it today and you use it today and the next day you forget, it will be of no single use. So make sure that you use this product on a daily basis or over a fortnight, minimum for a fortnight or 7 days, and please do let me know what are the effect you're getting in the comment section. Thank you. Let's move on to the next one. So do you love sneaking out in the fridge? Well, I do. And what I got from the fridge is yogurt. Yes, yogurt is another very common thing which we all have in our home, and yogurt is something which gives us an undefined level of glowing skin. And yes, yogurt is basically rich in lactic acid, and lactic acid, it has some natural bleaching properties. You get a fresh layer of skin, you get something, you get a glowing skin, like within 15 minutes. You just put the yogurt on your face, and if you keep it for 15 minutes and wash it with normal water, you will get a glowing skin. Instantly you will get it. Yes, it removes all the dark and dead skin cells, and it actually exposes your face to a fresh layer of skin. Yes, and that is the reason you glow like anything. So this particular hashtag refrigerator ingredient is yogurt in my list. It is sixth in my list. I guess I have discussed till now. I have discussed the 6 natural ingredients or 6 natural products you can use for your skin. So yogurt is specifically one of them, and it is number 6. Do let me know your reviews. Do use yogurt on a regular basis, and let me know your views in the comment section. Let's move on to the next. The next one in my list is cucumber. Okay, apart from its nutrition or health benefits, it also has some great skin effects. If we use the pH level of cucumber and our pH level of skin is almost the same. So when you use cucumber, it helps to gain back it helps to gain back the moisture. It helps to gain back the fairness in your skin, and yes, your skin starts glowing. Okay, and it's a natural aid to your skin. Yes, it promotes glowing skin, and it helps you look very fresh. It cools down your skin, like at times it happens that we are exposed to a lot of makeup, or we are exposed to a lot of sunlight. So when you use cucumber specifically for your face and also for your eyes, what it does is it is that it actually cools down, or it cools down your skin. Cooling down your skin is also very much needed, and it provides lots of moisture to your skin, which is very much needed specifically for dry skin people like me. And this is one of the remedies for people who want to maintain their fair skin. So yes, cucumber is in my list, and it is in the 7th list. Do use cucumber on a regular basis, guys, and do let me know your reviews in the comment section below. Thank you. Let's move on to the next. How much marks did you got in your exam today? I got a potato. A potato? Oh my god. So this potato has been we have been scared of getting potatoes in our exams, I guess. But in this particular era, or when we grow up, we find that potato can also be a very good friend to our skin. Yes, the 8th element which I will be discussing is all about potatoes. Yes, the potatoes basically it is a very skin friendly vegetable, and it is very rich in vitamin C. So it also has some mild bleaching properties. So if you can use potato in your skin and on a daily basis, it will actually make your skin glow like anything. Okay, it removes dark spots, right? And it can also remove the tan, which we usually gain due to extreme exposure to sun. So it can also remove the tan. So using potato on a daily basis makes your skin glow. It removes dark spots, pigmentation, etc. And potato is something we all have in our kitchen. I can't imagine anyone and everyone not having potato in their kitchen. So you can easily use 1 or 2 slices over your skin. You can let it dry for 10 to 15 minutes, and you can wash up, and you can see the results. So do let me know, and let's move on to the next one. How to get natural fair skin naturally? I can suggest you one thing, and that is the aloe vera. Yes, aloe vera is again something the plant, most of us, I won't say that every one of us have aloe vera plant in our terrace, but I guess many of you have it. Okay, and what we do is that many of us also buy aloe vera, because the aloe vera gel, it's a very soothing thing, and you can find it from the aloe vera plant, or you can buy it, I guess. And aloe vera contains anthraquinone. Anthraquinone is something, it helps to remove the dead cells. Okay, and it also stops hyperpigmentation. Many times you will find some eruptions in your face, you will find pigmentation, you will find moles in your face. Aloe vera is such a natural agent, and it actually stops, or it can actually reduce the number of moles, or the number of pigmentation, or the number of boils in your face, like anything. It is such a cooling agent that it kills all the dead cells, and it also acts as an anti-inflammatory thing, so it can also reduce moles. Yes, this I'm telling you from my own experience, because I have used aloe vera in order to reduce moles in my face, which I was developing few months back, and it helps to lead you to a glowing skin. Aloe vera also has some good effects for the hair, which I will be discussing in the upcoming videos. I will also make a video about the natural ingredients we can use for our hair. So yes, please use aloe vera on a daily basis. At least before sleeping at night, you can use aloe vera gel on your face, you can sleep, and the next day you can wash it off. So do let me know the review about aloe vera in the comment section. Let's move on to the last one. Last but not the least is papaya. Papaya is something, it actually contains an enzyme called papain. Papain helps to reduce the acne spots, the blemishes, and also the acne scars in your skin. I have been diagnosed with acne a few years back, 4 to 5 years back, and what happens, what does acne does is that after it goes away, it also leaves scars behind, and these scars are so deadly that it refuses to go, no matter whatever product you use. I am not very profound to use all kinds of products in my skin after I had this acne attack. So these scars are very difficult to get removed. But if you use papaya, I have not also used this, I will also start using it, but I just did research on these natural ingredients. If you use papaya, I guess the visibility of the blemish or the acne scars, it gets reduced like anything. Yes, I have researched about the same, and I will also use the same, and I will also let you guys know what is the actual result. You also guys, you can also use papaya. Papaya is a thing which we all have in our home, I guess, and it's a very normal thing to get. And it is also a gentle exfoliator, and it dissolves inactive proteins, and it dissolves all the dead skin cells. So do use papaya, and do let me know what was the actual effect. Yeah, so that's it, I guess. So guys, these were the 10 ingredients and the 10 things, 10 natural things which we can easily get, or which we can easily avail, and we can use it on our face in order to make our skin look bright and lighten our skin tone. Yes, so do let me know how did you find my video, and do like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. The next videos I will be trying to show you some DIY face mask which is very good for our skin, and I will also talk about the same natural ingredients which we can use for our hair also. So keep watching guys, spread the love, not fear, and thank you so much for watching. Stay safe.